WMAR-2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
And we find ourselves this evening continuing to remain under this warm sector, and that's essentially southerly flow due to this warm front lifting out. But you can see it's attached to a cold front that's going to be slowly making its way closer to us. I'm expecting the showers to continue to diminish as we head through the overnight, but as we head into the day tomorrow, that will start to change. Something else that's going to eventually change, well, the temperatures. That cold front is going to bring some much wanted relief to our area. Still going to be above the seasonal average through your Thursday and Friday, but as we get closer to Saturday and Sunday, the weekend, the numbers get below and just at where we should be. So some more comfortable numbers, less humidity, and plenty of time for you to get outside. Wish I could say the same for tomorrow, but I think we're going to have that humidity problem again tomorrow. That combined with more instability thanks to that cold front advancing towards us. Some shear, we're looking at a level 3 risk of strong storm shaded in this orange, and that's going to be most of the state of Maryland. These are our primary threats here. Damaging winds, 60+ miles per hour. We saw a couple of storms tonight with that, and then we could see the potential for some tornadoes. There's enough shear out there. We kind of lost some of that today, but it's definitely going to be a possibility tomorrow. Large hail, and then of course with all of these thunderstorms that roll through, heavy rain could definitely cause some localized flash flooding. We're going to start off the day on the dry note though. Temperatures in the upper 60s, low to mid 70s. As we get close to the 12 o'clock hour, we're watching our western communities. Folks out in Thurmond picking up on some of those early afternoon showers. That line will push through the area by 5 o'clock. Looks like we'll get a good tailspin here. And then as we head into the evening hours, more of that energy shifts on through. So we'll be watching roughly from about 1 o'clock out west till about 9 o'clock out on the eastern shore. By Friday, things look better here. We're looking at more sunshine, temperatures that are going to be a little bit cooler. We'll still get up to the mid 80s. And then, of course, we're watching the tropics. Thankfully, tropical depression Omar really not a risk here. Winds down to 35 miles per hour. You probably couldn't even spot it on the map here. But we do have a new hurricane, though. Nana, actually, wind sustained at 75 miles per hour. It is forecast to continue on its westward trajectory, making a landfall in Central America, eventually weakening, probably producing a lot of rain, though, because that is a very mountainous region of the world. Closer to home, we're going to be relishing in some nicer weather once we get past tomorrow and the instability that it will ensue. 81 degrees for your Saturday, temperatures near 83 degrees just in time for Labor Day, in the mid 80s as we head towards the middle of the week.
Next.